Semrush is all-in-one toolkit used by millions and millions of people worldwide. It improves online visibility and discovers marketing insights. In simple words, it tells you how your site is performing. Now, do you want to avail 14-day free trials of Semrush Pro and Guru accounts worth $370? If yes, then do watch this video till the end. We are delighted to inform you that we have partnered with the Semrush team to offer our Semrush trial of 14 days on both Pro worth $129.95 and Guru worth $249.95 plans. This can be easily done in 3 simple steps. Number 1, choose Semrush Pro or Guru trial as per your need. Number 2, create an account. This is absolutely free. Number 3, fill up a free trial form. Steps to activate Semrush Pro 14 days free trial worth $129.95. Number 1, click on this offer link. This link will take you to this page. Number 2, click on try it free button. Now comes the registration process. Here type your email and password. Next is the billing page. Here enter your details, your email, password and billing details so as to avail your Semrush Pro account worth $129.95 free for the next 14 days. Moment you click place the order button, your Semrush account will be created with no charge. Here you go. Now you are entitled to get full access to the Semrush Pro account for the next 14 days, which is absolutely free. One important point is link for Pro plan 14 days free trial is also shared in the description of this video mentioned below. Now coming to steps to activate Semrush Guru 14 days free trial worth $249.95. Number 1, click on the offer link. This link will take you to this page. Click on try it free button. Now comes the registration process. Here type your email and password. Next is the billing page. Here enter your details, email, password, billing details so as to avail your Semrush Guru account worth $249.95 free for the next 14 days. That's it. You can cancel anytime and will be charged $249.95 monthly if you continue using their Guru account. If you are a freelancer, blogger, or small marketers with a limited budget, choose Semrush Pro plan. Whereas if you are a professional SEO consultant or a blogger who has numerous sites and plenty of clients, then choose Semrush Guru plan. Important point is link to claim Guru plan 14 days free trial is also shared in the description of this video. Also do check our post mentioned in the description below to find more details about Semrush free trial and how to claim them.